I'm gonna love you.
What's going on, everybody? Alright, this is my new project. This freaking thing, I knew it was heavy because I pulled it out of our freaking Explorer, and oh my god, I wasn't expecting it to be as heavy as it was. Let me tell you what, until I got them out and set them down here. I told my wife, I said, man, this thing's heavy as crap. I said, man, I ain't kidding. I said, I think each piece weighed about 100 pounds. She said, well, that makes sense because the dude, when you were out looking at something else, the dude told me the combined weight of this is 200 pounds. I was like, oh my God. I said, well, that explains that. Actually, to be honest, I think this piece here is like 125, and I think this one's like 75. Yeah, so anyway, I'm going to hop off here, get set up out there, and yeah, we'll start painting. Well, actually, I already started, like I said, the berry paint, but I wanted to see how it was going to do on the concrete. I never actually spray painted concrete. The dude at the place said that's what they use, is spray paint, so should work good. We'll see. I'm gonna get set up, get my gloves on, doo-dah, and we'll finish spray paint the crap out of this thing. See how it turns out. Should be freaking cool. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, everybody, as you can see, I've got it, I flipped it over. This is the flower top. I'm gonna use, like I said, the black and the deep blue underneath. I'm not gonna get real critical, like I'm not gonna go all the way up into here. I'm just mainly gonna try to do the edges to where you can kind of see it under there, you know what I mean? And then I'll use clear coat up in here. So I'm gonna tell you, that thing freaking heavy, man. Hey, by the way, what y'all think? Team Jesus. That team y'all need to be on, you hear me? Alright, anyway, let's go ahead and get this. Good enough. Alright, let me take his glove off and we'll spin it. Look at all that sweat, man. Freaking hot out here today. Alright, let me spin this around. I'll show you the finished product. That looks pretty freaking cool, I ain't gonna lie. Actually, I might try to do that on the other side too. I don't know if she'll let me or not. We'll see. Anyway, let me pop this off. I'll show you up close. Be right back. Alright, here you go, folks. Look at this. It's freaking cool. I don't even know if you can see it, man. I can't see nothing. The sun's so bright. Look at this. It's freaking cool as crap. Anyway, let me hop off here. Let me show her. And yeah, I'll be right back with this flipped over. Catch you in a few. Later. Alright, let's go to town. Again, I'll try to stay out of the way so you can see. Alright. Good enough. All right. I'll be back, folks. I gotta have a break. All right, I've had a little break. Let's get this blue done. Let's go ahead and do some blue. Deep blue. Alright. Take a break, be right back. We'll touch up the other areas and we'll finish it up. Alright, let me switch this around. I'll give y'all an up close view. Okay, y'all. Here is finished product of the top part anyway. Anyway, I'm gonna hop off here, take me a break, let this dry, and yeah, I'll be back in a little bit with the other part. Catch you later. Alright folks, got the other dragged around. Now we're gonna get started on this one. We're gonna do the back. We did the change up. Instead of using that old desert rose and it dried darker than we thought, I'm gonna use deep blue and berry pink going up the side, and the bottom's still gonna be black and blue. So yeah, let's get it done. Let's get it. Alright, let's spin this around, show y'all what it looks like. Alright folks, here's the finished product. I'm gonna carry that around and we'll go put that down, set the top on top of it, shim it if need be, position it where we want it, put a little water in that puppy, and then I'll take a video, finished product, y'all. See what y'all think. It's looking pretty cool. Be right back. Alright folks, here's the finished product. There it is. I've already shimmed it up. You can kind of see the shims down there that broke off under there. Steadied it up pretty good. But there's the finished product, Jack. It looks pretty sweet, don't it? I'm freaking dying. It is. I bet you it's over 90 degrees today. I ain't gonna lie. And with me in direct sunlight, I bet it's close to 100 with the heat index. But anyhow, I'm gonna hop off here. Hope y'all enjoyed my first piece art back in a while. And here for long, I'm gonna do some other spray paint pieces on actual, paintings. Not a project like this. And hope you enjoy those too. So till next time, please, 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 please be good to each other. I love y'all, and I'll catch you again real soon.